Yeah, so I'm going to finish building our pad using the instructions from Workstation. Right. Now, as you can see, this is the finished pad that I've built from station 10 all the way to station 50. Now, this is basically the medical part that we actually built in the CPAP, and we did this using the easy to follow instructions software Workstation. From there, this part will actually move to testing, where we'll do a lot of tests to ensure that we actually build a part according to the right specification.